writing symbols of physical state. In this example, F3Fe plus 4H2O gives Fe3O4 plus H2. First one is Fe. That Fe is in solid state, so we can represent S. We can represent the symbol S. Then 4H2O. 4H2O. Then this is in gaseous state. In the form, gaseous state means in the form of steam. So represent G. Next one, Fe3O4. Fe3O4 is in solid state and H2 is in gaseous state. Okay, then solid state we can represent the symbol using S, and in the liquid state we can use the symbol L, and the gaseous state we can use the symbol G. These are the physical state. These ways we can represent the symbols of physical state. Once more, solid S, liquid L, and gas in the form of gas represent the letter using G. Gas is in the form of a steam. In some cases, we can represent the temperature, that pressure, and catalyst also represent in the chemical equations. First one, symbols of physical state, and second one, that represent the temperature, then pressure and catalyst. For example, first one, CO plus gas plus 2H2 gas gives in the at 340 ATM means atmospheric pressure. Then gives CH3OH. Then next one, 6CO2 plus 12H2O gives in the presence of sunlight. This one is used as a catalyst. In aqueous solution means it contains water also. CuSO4 7H2O, CuSO4 4H2O. That is aqueous solution of copper sulfate. That ways. Okay. Then we can represent the physical state, then temperature, pressure, and catalyst also in these equations, chemical equations. Types of chemical reaction. First one is combination reaction. Take one beaker, add some calcium oxide or Quicklime. Another name of this calcium oxide is Quicklime. Take one beaker, take some calcium oxide or Quicklime, then add some water. Then calcium oxide, CaO. How you represent that calcium oxide? CaO. Calcium oxide reacts with water. Types of chemical reaction. First one is combination reaction. First reaction is combination reaction. Take one beaker, then add some calcium oxide. Calcium, another name of that calcium oxide is that or Quicklime. Calcium oxide or Quicklime. Then slowly add water into it. Slowly add water. Then calcium oxide reacts with water to form calcium hydroxide. Then calcium oxide means Quicklime. Then react with water, H2O, gives CaOH twice means Slaker lime or calcium hydroxide. Slaker lime or calcium hydroxide. So calcium oxide reacts with water to form calcium hydroxide. Then calcium hydroxide is Slaker lime. In this case, these two reactants combines to form only one product. Okay, these two calcium, few reactants combines to form a single product. That type of reactions are known as combination reactions. Then calcium oxide reacts with water to form calcium hydroxide. In this case only two reactants combines to form a single product. This type of reactions are known as combination reaction. In definition, elements of compounds, a single element or compound combines to form two or more elements or compounds combines to form a single product. That type of reaction is known as combination reaction. In this reaction, heat is also liberated. In this reaction, heat is also liberated. We can touch the walls of this beaker. We feel too hot. So, in this reaction, Slaker lime plus heat. Heat is liberated in this reaction. So, this type of, in some reactions, heat is liberated with product. That type of reactions are called exothermic. Exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction means in some chemical reactions, heat is also liberated with that product. For example, in the case of calcium oxide and water to form calcium hydroxide plus heat. This reaction is an example for combination reaction and exothermic reaction. Combination reaction means two or more elements or compounds combines to form a single product. Only one product is here, that is CaOH twice, that is calcium oxide. Then another example for that combination reaction, C plus O2 gives CO2. Here two elements of carbon and oxygen combines to form carbon dioxide. Carbon and oxygen combines to form carbon dioxide. Two reactants are here. These reactants combines to form only one product. That type of reactions are called combination reaction. Then in this case, that one more step for this equation, that calcium hydroxide reacts with carbon dioxide. Then calcium hydroxide reacts with carbon dioxide to form calcium carbonate. That calcium hydroxide react with carbon dioxide to form calcium carbonate plus H2. That calcium carbonate plus H2O. Then calcium hydroxide react with carbon dioxide to form calcium carbonate and H2O. That calcium carbonate give white color. Then calcium carbonate is also known as that marble, no? That marble also contain that calcium carbonate. That is marble also in white color. So, the presence of calcium carbonate. Once more, what is combination reaction? Elements or compounds, two or more elements or compounds combines to form a single product, that is known as combination reaction. What are exothermic reaction? Exothermic reaction means in some chemical reaction, the heat energy is liberated with that product, that is known as exothermic reaction. Then calcium carbonate is calcium carbonate is in white color. That marble also that calcium carbonate.